Hello guys, Aspen and Ron in nature. I'm out again. The weather is really beautiful in Norway now. It's 17 degrees, but it's so windy and it's too windy to fly with my Dji Mini 2, so that's not great. But I'm just out hiking a little bit in the woods, and I was trying to catch some nice B-rolls with my mobile phone, the Huawei P30. I really don't know how it looks like right now, but I'm gonna post it so you can check it out. I'm just gonna hike a little bit, just exploring my backyard. It's so nice. I can wear a t-shirt in Norway, and that's not normal for us. Where I'm walking now, it's hill that my kids are just doing in the winter. They ski here a little bit. It's a nice short little hill. I'm gonna check out this area. I haven't been here so much, but just walking a little bit. I'm recording the audio with the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's impossible to use the inboard mic on the Insta360 One X2, and this time I'm shooting in vivid mode. Last time I shot with this, I used the log profile. I didn't like that too much. It wasn't possible to grade it so much. We're gonna check out this old cabin here. It's abandoned for many years ago. It's a pretty nasty area, and I have to look out for snakes in this area because it can be a lot of them this time. So we're gonna jump down here like that. Sorry for that, but the inboard stabilization on this camera is just amazing. So this is an old cabin, as you can see. I think it's been abandoned for at least, I don't know, 30 or 40 years. It's pretty disgusting. I really don't know why people aren't cleaning up this area. I have no idea. And I don't think anybody owns this cabin now. It's probably the city's. Should be fixed up a little bit and maybe done something with it, but it's yeah, it's abandoned. So this is a really nice area. It's nice here. Think about being in this cabin, just relaxing. It's pretty disgusting, that's for sure. Let's go up and check it out. Just have to be aware of stuff. Really is disgusting. a lot of trash and shit here. It's a small cabin, that's for sure. It really is. It's too bad that people don't take care of what they have. Maybe it's just been abandoned and left here to rot. Let's walk up this way. It's so nice to walk outside now. It's too bad it's too windy, so we can't fly, but we can fly another day. The best thing is just to be outside and hiking. This is just going to be a short one, but I love this. Being outside in nature. Listen to all the bird noises. The colors are popping now. More and more green. That's really nice. We can go up this way. In a few days now, the 17th of May, it's the National Day in Norway, so we're gonna celebrate that. It's a great time to celebrate our country. It's our birthday. Big day in Norway. Everybody is dressing nice and meeting family and eating, and it's too bad now because of the pandemic. Of course we can't be with so many people, but you can be with your closest family. So it's not happening so much this 17th of May. Oh, it's really hot in Norway. 17 degrees in Norway. This doesn't happen often, that's for sure. I'm getting sweat. Let's go up this way. Yeah, it's nice to be outside, enjoying the nature, listening to the nature sounds, but it's really windy. So going to be a good test for the road while let's go. It's impossible to record audio on the Insta360. It's just terrible. So let's get up here. Yeah guys, we're on our way back. I did shot some B-rolls with my mobile phone. I don't have a camera, a real or a good camera. I'm shooting all my videos with my Sony FDR and the Insta360 1X2 and my mobile phone. I can't afford a good camera. I really don't know what kind of camera I need. I want the camera to film with. So I'm looking at a bunch of cameras, but they are all too expensive. My dream camera is the Sony A7s III, I think it's called. I don't know, but that's too expensive for me. A7s III or something like that. It's a full format camera. I just want a camera that has good autofocus, good video quality, and I want a camera that can film 4K 60 and slow motion, of course. I was looking a little bit on the Panasonic GH5 and the Fuji XT-4. I read a lot about the Panasonic GH5. Has got a lot of positive feedback on that camera, but some people are saying that the autofocus is crap, and it's contrast based autofocus, so it's not the best one. I understand that, but I think the camera the quality of the video looks really, really good. It's 4K 10-bit internal, I think. I'm not a video guy at all, but I'm still learning. So I want some kind of camera, but that camera is also a little bit out of my price range, especially for now. We have a lot of expenses to pay now, so we have to wait. But maybe if my channel suddenly explode and I got monetized on YouTube and can earn some money, then I will buy a camera. I'm just trying to figure out the YouTube algorithm. Is so difficult just to find the right thing to post. And I understand that hiking videos like this isn't the most popular videos to post. Everybody wants to see some kind of, I want to call it clickbait. I think it is clickbait. People are reviewing drones and cameras and always looking for the positive things and of course the negative things with the camera, and I'm posting videos all the fucking time. And I don't want to jump on that train, being just a reviewer of gear. I don't have any gear to review, so if people could sponsor me with something, maybe it would be possible to do that, but I don't want to produce clickbait videos. And yeah, my channel is all about hiking, flying my drone, exploring, finding new places to hike. And I understand that videos like that aren't the most popular ones, but I'm gonna keep on doing that, and hopefully one day I'll get recognized and people like my content. I always want to try to be as honest as possible. Don't producing crap all the time. So yeah, that's my goal. So we will see. I'm just walking around in circles more or less, just trying to find something to film. I really wanted to fly today because the weather is really beautiful, but it's too windy for my drone. That's the only negative things about the Mini 2. It handled winds pretty good, but today it's too windy. I checked on the app. You have some kind of weather forecast app. It wasn't recommended to fly at all, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to risk losing it. If I had my Mavic Air 2, I probably could fly that, but I'm gonna fly another day. No, I'm just hiking around and enjoying. Let's see, we can go this way. So what kind of content do you want to see coming forward? Is there anything special you want to see? I'm planning to do a lot of traveling this summer, just visiting different places, and yeah, but the only negative is that I don't have too much gear to use, but I think you can get some good content with a 360 camera and a cheap drone, the Mini 2, and my cell phone and my Sony FDR camera. All of them are good enough. I don't think it's the gear that makes a good channel, it's the content you create. So but I'm standing still now for a little over 300 subscribers for some time, and I'm struggling to get more views and on my content. I'm trying to post at least 1 to 2 videos every week, but it's hard to find out the algorithm and crack the code. I watch a bunch of videos on how to do it and what to do, but it seems to me that you have to produce some kind of content that you don't like yourself. And I don't want to do that. I just don't want to post content that isn't me. I don't see the reason why to do that. I can start posting some kind of videos with how to grow on YouTube and what to do on YouTube, but then I need some kind of growth on YouTube. But I see that's the popular thing to do now. It's all about how to make it in YouTube and how to start a channel in 2021 and blah 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 blah. That's the only thing they post when they get empty of ideas, especially the bigger channels. That's what they post. So yeah, we are heading back now, so I'm gonna stop recording now and head down to my car. So thank you so much for checking out my short hiking videos, and hope to see you in the next one. See you, bye bye.